In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print labels from Google Sheets for free. If you've ever found yourself needing to print labels for any purpose, whether for organizing, shipping, or project needs, this simple method will streamline the process without you needing any special software. We're going to make use of a handy feature in Google Sheets that's both free and efficient. First, let's kick things off by opening a Google Sheet. If you haven't already created one, you can start a new sheet through Google Drive. You'll want your data organized neatly in columns. For example, you might have columns labeled Name, ID, and Department, which are typical fields you might want to appear on your labels. Once you have your sheet set up, the next step is to click on the Extensions menu, located along the top navigation bar of your Google Sheet. This menu will allow us to extend the capabilities of Google Sheets by using add-ons. What we're looking for is an add-on to help us create and print labels seamlessly. Within that menu, locate and select the option called Create and Print Labels. If you don't have this option available, you'll need to add it. You can do this by selecting Get Add-ons from the Extensions menu and searching for label creation tools available for Google Sheets. Installing the correct add-on is key to making this process work. Now that we've selected Create and Print Labels, the next thing we'll do is click on the option to Create Labels. This is where the exciting part begins. You'll see various settings and formats you could use based on your specific needs. In the label section, a format we recommend using is the Avery US Letter 5160 Easy Peel. This option is designed for ease of use and is compatible with most standard printing procedures you'll find for label papers. It ensures that the labels stick well and are easy to peel off once printed. With the label type selected, move on to the label content. Here, you'll choose which pieces of data from your Google Sheet you want on each label. You'll select the fields such as Name, ID, and Department by clicking on them. This allows you to customize exactly what goes on each label based on your spreadsheet columns. After selecting your content, click on Create Labels. This action will generate a new document populated with the labels as per your specifications. Finally, to open this newly created document, click on Open Document. At this point, your labels are ready for review and printing. Simply adjust any final settings like print quantity, if needed, and send them to your printer. You've now successfully created and printed labels directly from Google Sheets, all without spending an extra dime. Enjoy the efficiency and organization this new skill brings to your projects.